Kabanata 6, Air. Noon, hindi ko halos mamalayan ang 2 boring na araw ng eskwela bago mag-Wednesday kung kailan ako bibisita ulit sa site. Nakapangalumbaba habang nilalagay ang sadyang huling sinulatan. I wrote what my career plan will be when I go to college. Civil engineer. Bata pa lang ako, hindi kasali ang career o ambisyon sa mga iniisip ko. All I think about are the toys, new clothes, bags, and shoes to fit in my closet. I thought about friends, both boys and girls. Then I thought about suitors and boyfriends. Hindi kasali sa mga naiisip ko ang gagawin ko paglaki. Pero ngayon, wala na akong ibang maisip kundi ang kagustuhan na maging civil engineer, gaya ni Daddy at ni Hades. So, civil engineer ha? Nasa corridor ako at nakahilig sa dingding habang hinihintay si Arturo at iba pa naming mga kaibigan galing sa cafe. Nauna na ako dahil kinaiinisan ko ng maupo roon at magtagal tuwing break time. Madalas kasi ang tuksuhan at lagi sa aking tinutokso ang mga senior boys. My usual past self would be interested. I tried to be, but it seems like I'm getting more annoyed than entertained. Kumunot ang noo ko sa tanong ni Dean. Hindi kami classmates kaya paanong nakita niya ang papel ko? Wala akong sinabihan na kahit na sino tungkol sa gusto kong maging. Kahit sa Arturo, hindi ko kinuwento kaya paano nalaman ni Dean ang tungkol doon. Humalakip-kip ako at umahon galing sa pagkakahilig. You picked on my paper? At saan? Sa faculty? He smiled. I was just curious with your answers. I'm surprised na gusto mong maging civil engineer. Humilig siya sa tabi ko. Dean Larrazabal is handsome. Marami ang nagkakandara pa sa kanya, ngunit wala akong naririnig na naging girlfriend niya. Everyone in school knows that he likes me and that he's pursuing me. He could be easily classified as one of my suitors, except that I don't want that. I have a bad feeling about him, and sometimes my intuition is a champion. Why are you surprised? My father is a civil engineer. Wala sa itsura mo ang ganoon. I would say you want to just be a housewife and don't work at all. My eyes narrowed. Hindi naman mabait ang ibang maniligaw ko. May barumbado at ilang bastos, pero bakit hindi ko talaga magawang magustuhan si Dean? I wonder if I would react the same if it was Arturo who said that? Or maybe there are people you just don't like for no reason. But anyway, you can only do that if you get married to someone like me. Is he serious? Natawa ako bahagya. Come on, Dean. You're delusional. We're young and marriage is not something we should think about at this age. Pero baka naman gusto mo lang mag-civil engineer dahil mga lalaki ang halos kumukuha noon. You want more boy classmates for your boyfriends and suitors. Now, this is alarming. Hindi ko alam kung ano pa ang sasabihin ko o kung worth it ba na ipaliwanag sa kanya ang sarili ko. In the end, I realize it's not. If you think that's my reason, bahala ka. Sabi ko at iniwan na siya roon. He's given me more and more reason to dislike him. Bumalik na lang ako sa cafeteria. Hindi bale ang mga tukso sa akin at ang paglapit ng ilang seniors. I would rather deal with them than talk to Dean. Wednesday came slow, but it was great because I have finally made Daddy promise that he would promote my friend regardless of their credentials or experience. Hindi niya sinabing ganoon nga, pero siguro nakulitan na at ipinahihiwatig na sa akin na kahit sino pa ito, ipopromote niya dahil nagtitiwala naman ako. Hindi ko gustong biglain si Hades sa pagpapakilala ko sa kanya kay Daddy. Gusto ko lang nakausapin ko muna siya saglit at tanungin kung tingin niya ba ay makakatulong o makakabuti sa kanya ang promotion. Ipakilala mo sa akin kung sino ang tinutukoy mo, Iha. Pilit ni Daddy. Lalabas din sana siya paglabas ko pero hinarangan ko siya sa pintuan pa lang. Mamaya na, Dad! Kakausapin ko muna! His eyes narrowed. I can sense the brewing curiosity. Mamaya mo ako ipapakilala, pero gusto mong ipromote ko siya agaran, kaya kailangan agad ko ring malaman kung sino. Daddy, hindi ko pa po nasasabi sa kanya ang tungkol sa plano ko, kaya kakausapin ko muna, tsaka kita ipakikilala. Natawa si Daddy. Walang trabahante rito ang ayaw ma-promote, kaya kausapin mo man siya o hindi, magugustuhan niya ang promotion. When I think about it, though I'm not sure if Hades would take it that way. I can actually imagine him getting mad at me for making my moves and not letting him get promoted on his own. Bakit ko nga ba ulit naisip na ipapapromote siya? Nagsisisi tuloy ako ngayon. Baka mainsulto ko pa siya. Lalong ayaw ko munang pumunta si Daddy at maipakilala siya. Mamaya na Dad, please. Trust me, okay? Ilang sandali pa akong pinagmasdan ni Daddy. I don't think he's given up, but he nodded and crossed his arms. Huminga ako ng malalim at hinawakan na ang pintuan. Diyan ka lang muna at kakausapin ko lang siya saglit, sabi ko. Lumabas ako at agad nang kumuha ng hard hats sa lamesang nasa tabi ng pintuan. Hindi na kailangang ituro ni Matias kung nasaan si Hades dahil natatanaw ko na siya sa malayo. Kasama ulit, ma'am, yung babae. He commented beside me. I glanced at him with annoyed eyes but I didn't say a word. Dumiretso na ako patungo kay Hades. Little by little, as they zoomed in, I realized why I was so eager to promote him. Oo nga pala at ayaw ko sa babaeng kausap niya at lalo pa noong nalaman ko kung ano ang utos niya kay Hades ngayon. Hi, sabi ko at agad na inilahad ang merienda para kay Hades. Nakitaan ko ng kaunting pandidilat sa mga mata ni Engineer De La Cruz nang nasulyapan niya ako. Humalakip-kip ito at bumaling sa ibang banda. Tinanggap naman ni Hades ang binigay kong merienda. Nang ibinalik ni Engineer De La Cruz ang tingin niya sa amin, may sinabi kaagad siya. May merienda sa meeting natin ngayon, Hades, kaya pwedeng doon ka na kumain. My face heated. So what if Hades wants to have my lunchbox and eat the snacks for your meeting? At may meeting ulit? Bakit lagi na lang sila nagmi-meeting? Hindi naman ganito noon. Nagsimula lang naman itong mga meeting na ito nung nakilala ko si Engineer De La Cruz. Let's go, Hades! Anyayang dagdag ni Engineer De La Cruz. Late na ako sa schedule ng meeting natin. Let's not waste time. Hades nodded and then looked at me. Wait in your dad's office. If I don't come back on time, let's just see each other tomorrow. But I was too far angry to even consider his words. Lalo na nang nakita ko ang ngisi sa labi ni Engineer De La Cruz. Baka may meeting din tayo bukas, Hades. She added, and that made me explode. Why don't you tackle all your issues today and solve it immediately? Why the need for meetings every day? Kitang-kita sa itsura ni Engineer De La Cruz na hindi niya inasahan ang pagsagot ko. Hades immediately blocked my sight of her. Miss Valerio, he said a bit indulgently. Let's go and I'll escort you to your father's office. Halos hawakan ako ni Hades sa siko para lang mahigit at maiharap sa kanya pero hindi ako nagpatinag. My anger towards Engineer De La Cruz is just too much. I couldn't simply ignore it. Samahan pa na mukhang first name basis sila nito at si Hades tawag ng tawag sa aking Miss Valerio. Miss Valerio, it's not as simple as that, si Engineer De La Cruz. You don't know how it works here. That's enough, Engineer De La Cruz. Mariing boses ni Hades. You're just doing these meetings on purpose and it's obvious, giit ko. Hades tilted his head and then blocked my sight on her again. Let's go now. Aniya, pero bago niya pa ako maigaya sa kung saan, ay may narinig na akong boses sa gilid ko, sa likod ni Hades. Felicia, what's wrong here? Daddy's baritone echoed. Parehong agaran ang baling ng dalawa sa daddy ko. Hindi man lang ako nagulat o kumislot dahil wala na akong pakailam kung hindi ko pa nakakausap si Hades tungkol sa gusto kong mangyari. If he doesn't want to get promoted, then it's his choice. I just don't want this woman power-tripping on him. Good afternoon, Engineer Valerio. Halos sabay si Hades at Engineer De La Cruz na bumati kay Daddy. Good afternoon. Si Daddy habang tinitingnan ako. I'm still so heated. The anger is dripping on the way I looked at him and my breathing is getting faster. What's wrong, Iha? Daddy, I said without taking my eyes off Engineer De La Cruz who now looked like a scared cat. Anong problema? Pasensya na po, Engineer Valerio. Panimula ni Hades na agad kong sinapawan. Daddy, this is Hades. He's the field engineer that I was talking about. Natigilan sila at napabaling sa akin. I confidently looked at my father and then Hades. I smiled apologetically at him. I'm sorry, but I told my father that you deserve a promotion. I hope you won't take it the wrong way if he does promote you. Diretsahan kong sinabi. Feli. Bahagyang natawa ang daddy. Nakita kong natawa rin si Engineer de la Cruz. Kumunot ang noo ko. Yumuko ng bahagya si Hades. His lower gaze defined his thick lashes more. His jaw clenched as he watched me say it. My daddy will promote Hades so he won't work in the heat of the sun or under some power-tripping people. I said it meaningfully, obviously referring to Engineer de la Cruz. Feli, dear, si daddy na hindi pa rin napapawi ang ngisi. Meanwhile, Engineer de la Cruz's smile faded. Hades looked at me darkly before he shifted his weight. Engineer Valerio, anito natunog pinipigilan si daddy na magsalita ng kung ano. Umiling si daddy kay Hades na tila ba may Morse code silang hindi ko alam. Tumango ako dahil iniisip ko na lang na baka ayaw ni Hades o nahihiya siyang ma-promote siya dahil sa akin. You deserve it. Kahit iyong site manager, nagsabi na deserve mo ang promotion noon kaya ayos lang yan. Huwag kang mahiya. Sabi ko. Hades, I can keep this secret to my own daughter. I'm sorry, but I respect how you want your identity to be kept a secret on your superiors and your colleagues. But it's my daughter, this time. What are they talking about? Napabaling ako kay daddy pagkatapos kay Hades. Yumuko si Engineer de la Cruz. Besides, I don't think it's a secret when already knows you are a Riego. Riego? The Riegos are the owner of the VHRV Holdings. It's a collective name for all the companies of the Riegos, but their main business is construction, kung saan kabilang si Daddy. Kaya bakit babanggitin sa harap namin ang tungkol sa mga may-ari ng kumpanya nila? I'm sorry. Daddy laughed a bit heartily. Hindi ko alam na nakilala ka ng anak ko sa madalas niyang punta rito. She is a bit naughty. I hope you didn't lose your patience on her or something. Ha? Litong-lito pa rin ako. Umiling si Hades. The corners of his lips rose but the small smile subsided when he looked at me. And you tell me that he needs promotion dahil nangangailangan? Si Daddy sabay tawa ulit sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nakaramdam ako ng kahihiyan kahit hindi ko naman naintindihan ang sinasabi nito. Nagtaas ako ng kilay. Feli, this is Engineer Hades Riego. He's the son of my boss. Or he's even my boss. Nagkatinginan si Daddy at Hades samantalang ako medyo lito pa. Hindi ko pa napoproseso ang naunang narinig. Engineer Hades Riego? I'm not a boss, Engineer Valerio. I'm working under your command. But you are Engineer Riego's son and obviously you are to inherit the whole VHRV. Nagkatinginan kami ni Hades. My eyes widened. He saw how shocked I was. Ibinalik niya ang tingin niya kay Daddy. I don't think my name makes me anyone's boss, Engineer Valerio. I still have a lot to learn, so it's a long way to go. Si Hades. Daddy laughed and tapped on his shoulder. As expected from the heir of the Riegos. Heir? Of the Riegos? Hades Riego? Tinawanan din ni Daddy ang itsura ko. My whole face is slowly heating up. Hindi ko rin napansin na laglag na rin ang pangako habang tinitignan si Hades. Iha, hindi mo sinabing si Hades Visarius Riego ang kaibigan mong gustong ipromote? He doesn't need the promotion for he could always do that by himself. Is this for real? Tumawa si Daddy. Hindi pa rin ako makapagsalita. The embarrassment is slowly creeping in me and I can almost feel that I can take it. I can take this. Is this for real? I am actually bugging the whole company's heir? He is a Riego? This must be a dream, a nightmare. Nakakahiya. Nakakahiya ang ginawa ko simula pa lang. I remember how I was always bugging him, how I got mad at him, and how I treat him. Kung alam ko lang, mas behaved sana ang treatment ko. Or better, wala akong sasabihin. Kung alam ko lang na Riego siya, hindi na ako nakipagkaibigan pa. Umiwas na ako kahit nagwapo siya at gusto ko siya. Look at you, so shocked. You seriously didn't know Felicia? Si Daddy at tumawa pang muli. Umiling ako at yumuko. Imagine what I did last week. Nabadtrip pa siya dahil sa kakulitan ko. Ang dami kong kahihiyan. Hindi lang iyon, I actually told him that I like him. Sa init ng pisngi ko, pwede nang magprito sa mukha ko. I'm sorry! Bulalas ko at lalong yumuko. It's alright. Si Hades, pero hindi ko matatanggap iyon. Daddy laughed heartily again. It looks like you did so many embarrassing things, Iha, the way you are acting now. They talked, but I didn't hear a word. Nakakabingi ang kahihiyang natamo. Kahit pa sumasali si Engineer de la Cruz sa kanila, hindi ko na magawang magalit o mairita sa kanya. Hinayaan ko sila sa lahat ng gagawin at kung itutuloy nga ang meeting, wala na akong pakialam. Heck, I don't think I'll be back here. Hindi ko na kailangan mag-isip sa desisyon ko para riyan dahil alam ko sa kahihiyang ito, hindi na talaga ako babalik. I'm so glad that the work is fast. We might be done before the intended date. Ngayon pa lang nasasabi ko na. Si Daddy, nanatili akong tulala sa lupa. Nakayuko at iniisip lahat ng mga nagawa sa nakaraang buwan. How stupid, Felicia! You stupid girl! Kung saan ka na dinadala ng attraction mong ito? I can feel Hades' eyes on me while my head is bowed. Sinasagot niya pa rin si Daddy pero alam kong nasa akin ang tingin niya. May meeting pa kayo? Si Daddy pagkatapos ng mahabang usapan nila. Yes, sana engineer, but we can move it tomorrow instead. Si Engineer de la Cruz. Kung hindi ko nalaman ni Riego si Hades, baka sumagot pa ako ngayon. Out na kasi si Hades at hindi naman importante. Hindi naman pala importante ang meeting, pero kanina nag-aapura siya. But anyway, that's enough now, Felicia. Can't you see? He's the Hades Visarius Riego. Saglit lang. Hindi ba alam ko namang sa Greek gods nga ipinangalan ang mga Riego? Sino naman kasi ang mag-aakala na ang construction worker na na-meet ko rito ay isang Riego? Sinong baliw na tagapagmana ba ang magtatrabaho sa pinakamababang posisyon? Ganoon ba? I'm sorry for disturbing you then. Baka may pag-uusapan pa kayo. I want to excuse myself and my daughter dahil may pag-uusapan din sana kami. Tumango si Hades at muling bumaling sa akin. Hindi naman galit ang titig niya. In fact, it was more of concern or indulgence, but I looked away from his gaze. My mouth parted and I realized now why he seems so different from all the workers here. Why he has that kind of air as if he's not used to being commanded. He is a Riego, not just a relative or any far family member. He is the heir. So, shall we go, Felicia? Sabay baling ni Daddy sa akin. I nodded and bowed. I blindly followed my daddy and without looking at Engineer de la Cruz and Hades, I laughed. Hades. Hades ako ng Hades, hindi naman lang siya nirespeto. Pumikit ako ng mariin at natantong kahiya-hiya talaga ang lahat ng ginawa ko. So, the friend you are talking about is Hades Riego, Felicia? Hindi ako nakasagot. Daddy laughed and tapped my head. I am betting from your reaction that he didn't tell you who he is. You don't know him. Nag-angat lang ako ng tingin. Hindi pa rin kayang magsalita pa. The Riegos like to stay low profile. Ayaw nilang sinasabi kung sino sila at gusto nilang magsimula sa pinakamababang posisyon. You met Hades Riego, ang panganay sa 2 anak ng presidente. Hindi pa rin ako kumibo. I'm still in shock. Daddy sighed. I hope you didn't embarrass yourself too much. Or did you? Nanuyo ang lalamunan ko. I think I did. It's Hades and Ares Riego, Felicia, the Riego brothers. Hades is the eldest and is expected to lead one day along with his brother. I can't believe this. Hades really is the Riego. He's a brilliant student back then and also a brilliant engineer today. A bit more aggressive than his father in terms of business. Mas maraming bagong ideya at mas matayog ang ambisyon. Because of that, he's more interested to create and start on his own than continue and follow the footsteps of his father. Sabi ni Daddy bago muli akong nilingon. So, he doesn't really need a promotion. Nasa kanya yon. If he says he wants to be CEO today, for sure his father would let him, without hesitation. Hindi ko alam kung kailan ako nakarecover sa nalaman ko. I just found myself unable to come back. Dumating ang Thursday at nanatili ako sa cafeteria. Hindi ginagalaw ang merienda na binili. Sinadya kong bumili kahit na madalas sa ganitong oras wala na ako rito. Madalas nagkukumahog na akong umalis para lang maabutan si Hades, pero ngayon narito ako at kakain pa. Miss Valerio, sabay tikhim ni Matias sa gilid ko. Hindi siya lumalapit ng ganito sa akin kapag nasa school, pero hindi niya na napigilan ngayon. He coughed again because he noticed I didn't look his way. O oras na para bumisita sa daddy mo? Umiling ako. Hindi ako bibisita, Matias. Ho? Bakit naman, Miss Valerio? Halata sa boses niya ang kuryosidad. Hindi ako nakasagot. Nanatili ang mga mata ko sa pagkain. Kaya bukas na lang, Miss Valerio? Hindi rin ako pupunta bukas. Agap ko. Hindi nagsalita si Matias. Nilingon ko siya at umiling ako sa kanya. My heart is pounding so hard. Hindi na ako babalik doon. Sigurado ako, dahil kahit anong pilit ni Mami sa akin nang bumalik ako sa bahay, kayang-kaya kong suwayin siya. Ano bang nangyayari sa'yo, Felicia? Hindi ako makakapunta dahil sa kay Atticus. Mami, you don't have to go. Just put your buffet there and they get it. It's from Daddy's family, from you. Hindi na po kailangan ng presents ko o presents mo, kaya okay lang. Bakit parang takot kang pumunta roon? What happened? Her brow shot up. Umiling ako at nag-iwas ng tingin. Marami na akong gagawin sa school simula ngayon. Busy ako, Mami. Alam niyang hindi niya ako mapipilit kapag sinabi ko na, kaya hindi niya na ako sinubukang ulit. Isang araw, nagtanong na rin si Daddy tungkol sa hindi ko pagpunta sa opisina niya. Hay nako Fidel, marami raw yung ginagawa sa school. Si Mami na ang nagsalita para sa akin. Oh, si Daddy. Hindi ako makatingin kay Daddy dahil may pakiramdam akong alam niya ang dahilan ko. Nagpatuloy ako sa pagkain. I didn't know you were active with your schoolworks and clubs, Felicia. That's good news, right, Daddy? I am now active and a participative student. Baka naman nagka-boyfriend ka na? Paratang ni Daddy. Simula agad ni Mami. Ano naman ngayon, Fidel? Felicia, okay lang na mag-boyfriend ka pero siguraduhin mong mayaman. Iyong mas mayaman pa sa atin. Hindi pa rin ako kumibo. Napatingin ako sa kapatid kong inosenteng nakatingin sa akin. He looked at me with no humor and with eyes solemn and dark. I smiled at him but he didn't smile back at me. Hindi ako sang-ayon sa pagbo-boyfriend na iyan, Felicia. Masyado ka pang bata. Panimula ni Daddy sa ibang issue. Sus, Fidel, that's normal. Si Mami na ang nakipaglaban para sa akin. Mabuti na rin iyon dahil sa totoo lang, hindi ko alam kung ano ang sasabihin ko kay Daddy kapag nagpatuloy ang mga tanong niya.